हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो? बढ़िया हो? बहुत बढ़िया। तो आज हम लोग नया चैप्टर शुरू करेंगे जिसका नाम है लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. Okay, so we are going to start a new chapter, that is linear equation in two variable. Okay, see, general form of linear equation in two variable, मैंने शॉर्ट में लिखा है LETV, linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. यानी those equations which look like this, okay, is called linear equation in two variable. Now the question is the name linear equation. Okay, linear equation we call, okay, the reason is the graph is always a straight line. So whenever you draw the graph of this equation, you will always get a straight line. Next is, here we have two variables, they are x and y. So because of this two reason, we call this equation as linear equation in two variable. Okay, so why linear equation? Because if we draw the graph, we always get a straight line. And why it is two variable? Because this equation consists of x as one variable and y as another variable. So this equation is called a two variable. Clear? What is a? A is coefficient of x, b is coefficient of y, and c is constant. Is it clear? So what is a? What is a? A is coefficient of x. What is b? B is coefficient of y. What is c? C, my dear student, you can call as constant. Correct. Now let us give me some example of linear equation in two variable. We have many examples. Okay, and in this equation, a should never be 0, b should never be 0. Okay, c can be 0. Correct. So I am writing examples. Okay, first example is 2x plus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. Clear? So my dear student, this is one of the example of linear equation in two variable. So here, what is a? Come on, tell me. 2. What is b? It is 3. And what is c? It is 10. Correct? The next example we will discuss very clearly now. So this all you got it? So once again, the equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called linear equation in two variable. Linear equation y, because if you draw the graph, you always get a straight line. And two variable y, because it consists of x and y. Clear? Here a and b should not be equal to 0 and c can be 0. c 0 हो सकता है लेकिन a और b 0 नहीं होना है. ठीक है? और this is one of the example of linear equation in two variable. Now you may be asking one question, sir, a और b 0 क्यों नहीं होना है? Correct. Now the reason is, suppose imagine a becomes 0, then 0 into x is 0, then this will vanish. Okay, leaving behind bx plus y, by plus c equal to 0. Don't you feel here we have only one variable? So this equation becomes linear equation in one variable. So a cannot be 0. So a को ज़िंदा रहना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि a मरेगा तो ये पूरा टर्म मरेगा, ये पूरा टर्म गायब हो जाएगा. You will be getting by plus c equal to 0. Since it consists of only one variable, it becomes linear equation in one variable. Similarly, my dear student, b cannot be 0, correct? Because if b becomes 0, then this term vanishes, leaving behind ax plus c equal to 0. What is ax plus c equal to 0? This is a linear equation in one variable. Okay? c 0 हो सकता है, because अगर c 0 हो भी जाता है, then also you have linear equation in two variable, because still you have a and x and y. Clear? तो ये बात आप याद रखेंगे कि कौन ज़ीरो हो सकता है, कौन ज़ीरो नहीं हो सकता है, और एग्जाम्पल को लेके हम लोग और अभी डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है, और अच्छे से डिस्कस करेंगे. सो नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल आई एम गोइंग टू टेल 2x plus 3y equal to 0. You see, this is also linear equation in two variable only, but here c is not existing, c is 0. So what is a here? Tell me, come on. A is 2, b is 3, c is 0. मैंने बताया था ना आपको कि c 0 हो सकता है. So this is the case where c is 0. Okay? So this is the second example of LETV. LETV यानी लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल, शॉर्ट फॉर्म है, ठीक है. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन टेल यू, EX3 लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. इवन यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस, 2/3x plus 4/5y equal to 8. So my dear student, even you can bring constant that side also, no problem. Okay, now bring that constant this side, so this becomes 2/3x plus 4/5y plus 8. When comes to the LHS, it becomes -8 equal to 0. Now what is a? A is 2/3. What is b? 4/5. And what is c? -8. So you should be in a position to tell what is a, what is b and what is c. तो c उस तरफ भी हो सकता है, आपको इस तरफ लाना है. क्लियर है? So this is example 3. Example 4. Correct. Now you have something like this, 2x equal to 3y plus 8. 2x equal to 3y plus 8. Right? So bring 3y and 8 to the LHS. 2x plus 3y becomes -3y plus 8 becomes -8 equal to 0. Now this is in the form what? ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So what is a? A is 2. Come on, b क्या है बोलिए, मैं सुन रहा हूँ, बोलिए b क्या है? b is -3 and c is -8. So my dear student, these are the examples of linear equation in two variables. Clear? Next is example 5. I write 2x plus 10 equal to 0. आप बोलेंगे सर यहाँ तो y नहीं दिख रहा है. सही बात है, y नहीं दिख रहा है. सर यहाँ तो एक ही वेरिएबल दिख रहा है, x. Yes, you are right. So this is actually linear equation in one variable. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल. लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल, LEOV. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर मेरे को इसको लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल में चेंज करना है, सो व्हाट आई विल डू? आई विल राइट 2x. सी y इज नॉट देयर, यू राइट लाइक दिस, 0y plus 10 equal to 0. So if you write like this, you see x is also visible, it was visible before also, y is also visible. So this looks like what? Linear equation in two variable. भले ही linear equation in two variable नहीं है ये, but you can express this in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Clear? So here what is a? Tell me. A is 2, b is 0, c is 10. ठीक है, तो ऐसे करके any equation you can represent in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, one more example. Example 5. Here I am writing example 6. Okay, ध्यान से देखिए. come on. यहाँ मत देखिए, सीधा सामने देखिए. Next is, so here you can one more example. 3y equal to 10. Now how will you represent this? So first bring 10 on LHS. This becomes 3y minus 10 equal to 0. Now introduce x, because x is not here. You can write 0x. What is the sign here? Plus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. Now this equation is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So what is a here? Come on, what is a here? This is a, 0. What is b here? B is 3. Don't say 3, say plus 3. Always say number along with it, sign along with it. Sorry. This is c. What is c? C is minus 10. So like that you can represent equation in one variable also as equation in two variable by introducing x or y. अगर x नहीं है तो 0x लिखिए, कोई बात नहीं. y नहीं है 0y लिखिए, कोई बात नहीं. लेकिन दोनों दिखना चाहिए, x भी दिखना चाहिए, y भी दिखना चाहिए. क्लियर है? ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग ओपन पेज नंबर 67 ऑफ टेक्स्ट बुक. सी एग्जाम्पल 1. एग्जाम्पल 1. In example 1, the first question is 2x plus 3y equal to 4.37. What is A? Tell me. A is 2, B is 3. What is C? C is not 4.37. Okay, 4.37 is on the 4.37 is on the LHS. Okay, take it to the RHS. It becomes minus 4.37. So C is minus 4.37. Question number 2. X minus 4 equal to root 3y. ओके देखिए, अपने टेक्स्ट बुक में देखिए, मेरी बात सुनिए, टेक्स्ट बुक में देखिए. तो रूट 3y इट इज़ इन द LHS, ब्रिंग ऑन द RHS, सो इट बिकम्स माइनस रूट 3y. ओके, तो व्हाट इज a? A इज 1. व्हाट इज b? b इज माइनस रूट 3. एंड व्हाट इज c? c इज माइनस 4. क्लियर? थर्ड क्वेश्चन. 4 इक्वल टू 5x माइनस 3y. ओके, व्हाट यू विल डू? ब्रिंग, सो द क्वेश्चन इज लाइक दिस. 4 इक्वल टू 5x minus 3y. So take 4 that side. So this becomes 0 equal to 5x minus 3y minus 4. Next step, this you can write RHS, this you can write, sorry, you can interchange the place. Okay. So this becomes LHS 4x minus 3y minus 4, that goes to RHS 0. Now this is A is 5, B is minus 3, C is minus 4 equal to 0. Next question, 2x equal to y. देख लीजिए, 2x equal to y. What you will do? Bring y LHS. 2x minus y. C is not there, right? Plus 0 equal to 0. What is A? A is 2, B is minus 1, C is 0 equal to 0. Correct? Okay, तो आप लोग example 1 कर लेना, नोटबुक में लिख लेना बढ़िया से टेक्स्ट. Okay, next is very important example 2. Okay, so come on, read the question. Example 2. So example 2 is write each of the following as an equation in two variable. X equal to minus 5. This is all I have discussed, man. Once again I'm doing the revision, that's all. Bring minus 5 on LHS. X plus 5 equal to 0. Now there is no y. Okay, so introduce y. So this becomes x plus 0y plus 5 equal to 0. What is A? A is 1, B is 0, C equal to 5. Clear? Next is y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. Okay, there is no x. So introduce, bring 2 LHS first. मेक RHS एम्प्टी, इधर 0 कर दीजिए. जो भी वहाँ है सबको यहाँ लेके जाइए. ठीक है, जो भी RHS में है सबको LHS में लेके आ जाइए. देयर इज नो x. इंट्रोड्यूस x. 0x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Now what is a, my dear student? A is 0. Come on. B is 1. What is the coefficient of y? Plus 1. And what is c? C is minus 2. Very good. Like that you have to write. Example 2 also, please do the homework. Next is exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Question number 1 is problem sum, which I will do later. Next is question number 2. Question number 2 देखिए, 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35. What is a? A is 2, b is 3 and c is 9.35. Please see your textbook, see your textbook. Come on, come on, come on. Question number 2. x minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, देख लेते हैं. x minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. Clear है? Now if you want, you can write what is a. A is 1. What is b? B is minus 1 by 5. And what is c? C is minus 10. Okay. One more method is that, or I am writing or. You put one denominator, one denominator. Take the LCM. LCM is 5. Okay. So this becomes how much? Come on. 5x minus y minus 50 equal to 0. 0 by 1. Do the crossing. This becomes 5x minus y minus 50 equal to 0. Now what is a here? A equal to 5 and b equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 50. Clear? So आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. Clear? Next question you see. Next question is third question. Minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. A is minus 2, b is 3, c is 6. No 6. 6 is on the LHS. Bring it to the, sorry, 6 is on the RHS. Bring it to the LHS. It becomes minus 6. X equal to 3y. Bring 3y to the LHS. It becomes x minus 3y equal to 0. Okay, so what is a? A is 1. What is b? B is minus 3 and c is not there. Make it 0. C equal to 0. Similarly, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th question you can do, my dear student. It's very simple. So kindly do this in your notebook and WhatsApp me. My number is 9732278786. So next is very important topic. We are going to see what is the meaning of solution of linear equation. तो हम क्या देखने वाले हैं बच्चे? सॉल्यूशन ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक इज solution of linear equation. ये देखे कुछ याद आ रहा होगा आप लोगों को, कुछ याद आ रहा है? दिस इज कार्टेशियन प्लेन and this is a line. Okay, and the equation of this line, suppose is, I'm just taking an example. So this is linear equation and this is the graph of it. What is this line called? This line is called graph of linear equation. Clear? Now over this line, suppose I take this point, I am coming down, suppose this is 2 and this I am going, this is suppose 3. So my dear student, this point is 2, 3. Clear? So this, ध्यान से देखिए, here comes the most important thing. So this 2, 3 is solution of linear equation. So what you understood now, till now, what is solution of linear equation? Solution of linear equation is a point on the graph of the linear equation. यानी linear equation के लाइन के ऊपर जितना भी पॉइंट आ रहा है, मैंने एक पॉइंट का एग्जांपल दिया है, you may be having many points. So my dear student, this all points are the solution of linear equation. Suppose this point's coordinate may be 5,1 and this point's coordinate may be 4,2. This is C and this is B, suppose. Okay, so I can say that B is solution of linear equation. C is the solution of linear equation. A is also the solution of linear equation. तो आपको एक चीज़ पता चल गई कि linear equation do not has one solution. Okay, it has what? Many solutions. It has many solutions. Why it has many solutions? Because there are many points on the line. Okay, and each point is a solution. Now on the line, how many points are there? There are infinite points. लाइन के ऊपर इतने बिंदु हैं जिसको आप काउंट भी नहीं कर सकते, और हर बिंदु को क्या बोलेंगे? सॉल्यूशन बोलेंगे. That means linear equation in two variable has uncountable number of solutions. Very important. So how many solutions are there? Tell me. Uncountable solutions. Why uncountable solutions? Because each point on the line is a solution, number one. There are infinite points on the line, and hence we can say that there are uncountable solutions. Uncountable solutions को और एक वर्ड बोल सकते हैं, infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. तो आप बोल सकते हैं infinitely many solutions. What will you call? Infinitely many solutions. पूरा क्लियर है? समझ में आ गया ना? आसान है ना? लाइन के ऊपर अनगिनत बिंदु, हर बिंदु को कहते हैं सॉल्यूशन. Therefore, a line has uncountable solutions, that is infinitely many solutions. अब बताओ, आसमान में कितने तारे? अनगिनत तारे. अगर मैं एक तारे को सॉल्यूशन बोलूँगा तो आसमान में कितने सॉल्यूशंस? अनगिनत सॉल्यूशंस, अनकाउंटेबल सॉल्यूशंस. क्लियर? अब मान लीजिए समंदर का एक बूंद को मैं बोलता हूँ सॉल्यूशन. वन ड्रॉप इज सॉल्यूशन. हाउ मेनी ड्रॉप्स आर देयर? अनकाउंटेबल ड्रॉप्स आर देयर. सो देयर आर अनकाउंटेबल सॉल्यूशंस. तो सॉल्यूशन वर्ड से बच्चों डरो मत, घबराओ मत, बहुत सिंपल चीज़ है. लाइन के ऊपर जो एक बिंदु है उस बिंदु को बोलते हैं सॉल्यूशन. तो चलिए मैं आपको अच्छा से लिख के दिखा देता हूँ. सॉल्यूशन, एरो, बिंदु. क्या है? बिंदु. कितने बिंदु? अनगिनत बिंदु. तो कितने सॉल्यूशन? इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशंस. चलो, दिस इज क्लियर. तो इफ एनीबडी इज आस्किंग यू, टेल मी व्हाट इज सॉल्यूशन ग्राफिकली, you should say that point on the line, the point which comes on the line is a solution. चलिए, what about this point my dear student? Z 1,2. क्या बोलेंगे इसके बारे में? क्या बोलेंगे? Z is not a solution. Why not a solution? Because this point do not lie on the line. Do not lie on the line. Therefore, it is not a solution. तो जो भी पॉइंट लाइन के बाहर है भाई, ये सबको बोलेंगे not a solution, 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 not a solution. लाइन के ऊपर solution, 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 solution. तो ये है solution. क्लियर? चलिए अब आगे हम लोग बढ़ते हैं. सॉल्यूशन क्लियर हो गया. तो अगर मैं आपसे बोलूं कि मेरे को दो सॉल्यूशन निकाल के बताइए, ओके, गेट मी 2 सॉल्यूशंस. व्हाट यू विल डू, वेरी सिंपल, लाइन में जाइए, लाइन के ऊपर कोई भी 2 पॉइंट को रैंडमली सेलेक्ट करिए और वो 2 पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है मेरे को बता दीजिए, वही है सॉल्यूशन. मैं आपसे बोलूँगा कि गेट मी 1 पॉइंट विच इज़ नॉट ए सॉल्यूशन, तो क्या करेंगे, आप लाइन के बाहर कोई भी एक पॉइंट सेलेक्ट करेंगे, कोई भी एक पॉइंट, उस पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट निकालेंगे. ओके, कोऑर्डिनेट यानी एक्स एंड वाई. जैसे इसका मान लीजिए -2, यहाँ पे मान लीजिए ये है 2.5. तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस पॉइंट, -2, 2.5. सो दिस इज what not a सॉल्यूशन. क्लियर है. तो सॉल्यूशन निकालने के लिए लाइन के ऊपर, सॉल्यूशन नहीं निकालने के लिए लाइन के लिए बाहर. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. So my dear student, now you have to check 2, 3 is solution of 2x plus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. अगर ग्राफिकली आपको चेक करना हो, how you will check, you will make the graph of this line and you will see whether this point comes on the line or not. Correct. But algebraically how will you check? So I am going to check, what is that? Algebraic method. Algebraic method means we are not going to draw any graph, we are going to check only. So for that what you should do, you take the LHS of this. So what is LHS? LHS is 2x plus 3y minus 13. Put this point x equal to 2, y equal to 3. So this becomes 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 minus 13. 4 plus 9 minus 13. So this becomes 13 minus 13. 13 minus 13 is 0. And in RHS you have 0. So you can say that LHS equal to RHS. Therefore 2, 3 is solution of 2x plus 3y minus 13 equal to 0. Okay, so it's very easy to check. What you should do, take the LHS, number 1. Number 2, put the value of 2, 3 in LHS. Next, if you are getting equal to RHS, which most of the time will be 0, then it is the solution. Suppose you are getting answer as 1, then LHS is not equal to RHS, then 2, 3 is not a solution of this. So it's very easy to check whether the given point is a solution or not. Okay, once again tell me how you can check it. We have to take the LHS of the given linear equation in 2 variable, substitute the value of x and y in that, okay, and you will get the answer. If that answer matches with the RHS, that is LHS equal to RHS, then the given point is the solution. If LHS is not equal to RHS, then given point is not the solution. Okay, if graphically you want to check, kindly note it down. If graphically you want to check, how will you check? Tell me, my dear student. You have to draw the graph of this equation. It could be like this, it could be like this, we have to see. Then plot this point. If the point comes on the line, suppose this you are getting like this, then you can say that 2, 3 is a solution of the equation. If you are getting 2, 3 here, then what you will see, 2, 3 is not a solution of the given linear equation. So graphically you can do like this, algebraically you can put the value. Clear? It's very simple. Okay.